Oh, lovely people, welcome back to my channel once again. My name is Jocelyn, and today I'm going to show you how to design a revival flyer, a church revival flyer. But before that, do me a favor, kindly subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell. If there is any new video, you get that right away. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share the live. Don't just drop your comment. How do you see this tutorials? Without much further ado, let's get started. So this is what I actually did it. That was way back. Some of pictures in here to what I'm going to design today. So this is what I did for a church to this one. So don't go anywhere, just keep subscribing to this channel, and anytime that I drop a new video, we get that right away. So let's get right into the video flyer. So I'm actually going to create the size. I'm using Photoshop 2021, so I'll go ahead and create my new document. So 8 by 8. You can also, whatever size that, but you have to make sure that whenever you're creating something for social media, it should be in square. So if you can use 3 by 3, 5 by 5, 4 by 4, but that it shouldn't be, let's say 8 by 5, 8 by 6. No, it should be in square form, so that when you upload, because all the social media profile pictures sizes are equal. So just bear that in mind. Okay, so I'll go ahead and click create. Okay, now I'm going to give a background. Okay, so this is the background I'm using, create overlay. Okay, I think this background is okay for me, so I'm actually going to see the code for this one. No, this is not what I want. I want this one. So the code for this is the code 22208F. that is the code for this color. That is the blue, but not that light blue, is something green like that. And this one too is darker blue, something like that. Okay, we didn't see the code. The code is what? 07024F. Okay, so that is also the code that maybe if you want to use the same color for your design, you can go ahead and use that for your design. All right, so I'll just lock it in here, this locker, because I don't want to be disturbed. I don't want to be like the background will kind of disturb me or something. So after I'm done this, I'm going to create something. This is layer. Shortcut key for this is layer. All right, right here, when you put it on it, the name will be showing up. Create new layer. So I'll go ahead and just create my layer, and I'll go for my brush tool. Okay, so I'm using a brush tool, so I'll go for my brush tool, and I'll increase the size of my brush tool. When I increase it, I just drop it like that to increase mine. Okay, so this is let me show you something. All right, this let me show you this screen keyboard, right? Screen keyboard. Hey, what did I spell, man? Okay, so this is the screen keyboard. I'm actually going to show you something. All right, so this is what if you want to increase the your brush size, this is actually what you have to click on it. This symbol. Okay, the more you click, the more you click. This, if you want to decrease the size, this is what you click on it. But if you want to increase it, this is how you do it. All right, so this is very simple. Just go ahead and create your. So I'll go ahead and increase, and then I'm actually going to use this color that is a pink, a little darker pink. So I'll drop it right here. Now I need to switch by pressing X on my keyboard to switch the colors. If you look at where my pointer is, if you want to switch up the colors, you are going to use letter X on your keyboard. Okay, so I switch that to this. Okay, this is what I actually want, and I'll increase the size like this. This is what I want. So this is what I want for my design. I'll go ahead and lock it because I've done what I want to do. So I'll come back to my my work. What I did it previously. I need some pictures right here, so I'll go ahead and take off the picture for my new design. So I'll just take it and drag right here like that. Okay, so something like this. This is okay and beautiful. All right, so I'll decrease the opacity. Right, so I will decrease it, the size. I'll decrease the opacity to be like that for me. So this is actually what I want, and no, this is too much like that. Okay, and I'll change this one to soft light, and I'll increase this one a little bit like that. Okay, so I just changed the blending to soft light. I'm done with this, so I'll just close it like that. And then right from here, I'm going to actually, because the video, I don't want to make it very long, so I'm going to just drag this one right here like that, like this. Okay, all right, so I actually have an effect for it. I have effect. If you want to create effect for your tutorial, your text or whatever you're doing, you just double click this place. Don't double click here, double click outside the name like that. You're going to see layer style like this, that will show up. Okay, so this is what I actually wanted, and I love this color, yellow color. All right, let me show you the code for FEDB3A. So that's the code for this. All right, so after doing this, I'm actually going to write. So I'm doing this one was a revival, but this one is that is the second revival. So I'm going to type in, go for my text tool. This is actually my text tool. This is my text tool. So I'll just type circuit. All right, and so I just type circuit. I'm going to change the font name. So I'm actually using this font to see, sometimes when you are designing, you didn't know you have to use maybe 2 or 3 fonts on one design. Okay, so this is what I am doing. Okay, so I'll increase the size like that. This is called Circuit Revival. Okay, so this actually, the name of the font is called Big Noodle Titling. Okay, Big Noodle Titling. So that's the name of the font, and I'm actually going to bring this and this is the same church, okay, who are doing this. So there's no need to just drag this one right here, and this one as well. This is the logo, so I need to come with the logo, I need to drag this one too. Okay, I need this one too, this right here. Okay, like that. So I'll drop it. It's also picture that I So I'll drop this one here. Let me Control plus J on your keyboard. I actually want to shift this one here to the left and right, and to see how it's going to be like. Okay, so I think this is okay right now. This is okay. All right, so there are so many things that, because of, I don't want to make a very long video, so so put this one here, so meaning that that is Abra Circuit Pedo Society present Circuit Revival. Is this Methodist Church Ghana Cape Coast Diocese Abra Circuit? Okay, so I need to make some changes right here. Is this for, okay, so something like that, present, and I need to decrease the size of the present. I'm actually spreading it like that. Okay, so this is how it's going to be like. All right, so right from there, no, this is not what I want. I want this and this. Okay, so this is what I want, and so I'm going to change the theme. The theme is the message of the cross, that is the power and wisdom of God. So the message of the cross, the message of the cross, you know. So right from there, and I'll continue the power and wisdom of God, wisdom of God. Okay, so I'm actually going to decrease the size a little bit to fill in the so I'm going to make it caps like that. Now decrease the size a little bit in here, the message of the cross. And so right from there, I'm going to change the font to Montserrat font. The font, I really love to use this so much, so this is what I'm using. Okay, Montserrat font. So this is actually the theme, and going for the, okay, I'm going to the what do you call it, the date. Okay, I'm going for the date. The date is this one, so I just need to change the 0 to 1, and this one, the date is 29th March, so I'll change the 9 to, and I need to change this one to MER, meaning March. Okay, and this one to April, so I'll just write APR, and then change this one to 21, so just drop 1 right here, and then change the this one to what, first. Okay, so first like that, and I'll change the day to Thursday, because it's Thursday. All right, so I'll change it like that, Thursday. And right from there, I'm going to drop in the time. All right, Monday, Thursday time. I'm going to change. I'm going to drop in the time. Okay, so I'm going to drop in the date right here, and then draw my time to start my time, man. Okay, so this is actually going to be my time. My time is what? 6:30 to 8:30. All right, so I'm going to write my time. That is 6:30 so to 6:30 what to 8:30 p.m. 8:30 p.m. So I'm going to close the gap. If you want to close the gap, you come in here as your character. The bigger A here, you just click on it, your character panel will show up. So I'll go ahead and close the space in there like that, and I'll change the font color to, let's say, something like this. Okay, and I'll change the font as well to Montserrat font. So that is extra. That is extra bold. Okay, so right from there, I need PM should come right here, PM, and the PM, I'll change the PM font to Big Nodo like that. Okay, and this one to PM, I'll change the name to Big Nodo Tightline. Big Nodo Tightline like that. So, and I'm going to decrease it a little bit to fix in there. Okay, all right, and I'm going to center alignment it. Okay, like that, and I'm going to duplicate this and then bring it in right here like that, and give a stroke, change the line, the outline to the fixable one, and right from there I'll go ahead and make it center alignment like that. Okay, so this is actually what beautiful. Okay, so like that. Okay, so when I'm done, I'll go ahead and so we go ahead right from there. I'll go ahead and type in, this is the venue for the program. So I just drag that in there and change the color to white. This is the venue. This is the venue for the design. So this is the venue for the program. So I'll drop it right here like that, and just write something under. So that is going to be, draw a rectangle shape like that, and type in come and be blessed. Come and be blessed. So I'll change the font color to something like that. Let's say come and be blessed. Okay, so this is how it's going to be. Brought some okay, so should I make it kind of a stylish like that? Come and be blessed. So this is what it's going to be like. Okay, let me change the color to black like that. So thank you very much for your time.